How to increase iPhone volume by 200%. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and further scroll down and you will see the accessibility option. Tap on that and scroll down again, and under the hearing tab, you will see the option for audio and visual. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the headphone accommodations option you see there and make sure the toggle button for headphones accommodation is toggled on. And now under the tune audio for tab, you will see the vocal range option. Go ahead and select the vocal range option, and under the slider you see there, select the strong slider by simply sliding the slider, and with this you will receive 200% sound. So this is how you can increase iPhone volume by 200%. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.